Hey guys, what's up? Today's video is just going to be a few natural hairstyles that I typically wear for school Monday to Friday. Alright, so the first style is a twist out. I did twist the night before in preparation for this twist out. I use coconut oil to take down the twist, so it adds shine and it makes it easier to take down the twist. After I finish separating the twist, I just lay down my edges with some Eco Styler gel. I don't use any brushes or anything, I just use my fingers until it's smooth enough. And then right here, I'm fluffing my hair so that, so I get the shape, like both sides don't have the same shape to me. And there's a big gap right there. I don't know why it looked like that. So like I spend a lot of time trying to get that gap out. And then once it's out and once it looks decent and everything, I don't stop fluffing until I'm pleased with how it looks. Now for day 2 here, I did the same thing. I retwisted Monday night and then Tuesday morning now I'm using jojoba oil to take down the twist, and I just rub the excess oil on my hands because why not? So right here I'm just separating the twists, and after I finish separating it, you can see that it have this weird shape, like it just not look right. I'll let the system all over the place, and I'm not going to fluff that to get it to look right. So what I'm going to do is separate the top and do a half up half down kind of thing. So I'm using some Eco Styler gel on my edges to get it smooth. And I'm looking for that piece of hair. I thought it fell on the ground. I'm looking for that hair tie that's in my hair, walking up and down looking for it, and then I finally figured it out that it was in my hair. So yeah, I went for another one. I just catch up the top with that one, and then now I'm laying down my edges more so that it looks even more sleek, slicker, more sleek. And then I'm gonna tie it down with my scarf and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it's time to take it off, and that's the final look. Now for Wednesday, I didn't retwist last night. I just went to bed with my scarf over my head. So for this style, I actually have to moisturize this morning because I didn't moisturize last night. So I'm using a leave-in conditioner, Cantu Shea Butter Leave-in, and then I'm using some coconut oil to seal that in. I'm just pushing my hair to the direction that I want it to go, and then I'm using some more gel on my edges. I basically use gel on my edges every day, it seems. Okay, so I'm brushing it up because that's the direction that I want my hair to go, and then I'm getting my string, and that's what I use to create the puff. So I just put it around my head and tie it once at the back, as you can see, and then I push it up until I get the desired size puff. After that, I just pin down the ends of the strings so that it won't go anywhere, and then I fluff until it looks how I want it to look. And of course I have to tie down my edges with my scarf because I want it to be smooth. So after, I don't know, like 15 minutes I guess, or maybe 10 minutes or more, I remove the scarf and fluff everything. Just fluff it till I get the shape that I want. And that's the final look. Now it's Thursday. I decided to do what hairstyle I don't know. I don't know what this hairstyle is called, like whatever you call it. Just 2 puffs. I'm adding coconut oil. My hair is wet, by the way. My hair is damp because I co-washed in the morning to get it, you know, refresh my hair. So I'm adding coconut oil to sealing some of that moisture. And then I'm adding Cantu curling cream, coconut curling custard, something. I'll leave the name in the description box. I can't remember the name. Yes, so I'm adding that to get my curls, to get my hair to be like fluffy and kind of weighed down a little bit. And then right here I'm adding Eco Styler gel to my edges to get that smooth and sleek. I'm brushing it now to get it even smoother. After that, I'm using a regular hair tie, regular scrunchie, whatever you call it, to tie up that section, to catch up that section. And I do the same thing to the other section, to the other side. I just add the gel, brush it, and then use a regular hair tie to catch it up. And I do it as tight as I can, but not too tight where it's unbearable. Just, you know. I want the end, I want it to be like a curly puff, so I put some Eco Styler gel on my fingers and then I curl the ends, yes, I curl the ends, twirl them around my fingers so that it can get this curly look. And that's it. Of course, I have to tie down. Oh, no? Okay. So it's Friday and I just put my hair in one, and I didn't comb it out or anything. I just tied on my edges so that it would stay set from what I did the day before. So right here I added some leave-in conditioner. I spritz it with some water, and now I'm using coconut oil to seal in all that moisture. I don't want to disrupt what I laid down the day before, so I'm only combing out the ends, as you can see. So I'm using that same string. I loop it around my fingers and then tie it around like oh you used to tie bubbles in your hair, like oh your mother used to put bubbles in her hair when you're younger. And then I just pin down the end. And then that puff was too small, like I wasn't pleased with that, but I still tied it down with my scarf so that it could be slick. And then after, you know, like sometime like maybe 30 minutes, that's if I have enough time, not so long, probably 5 minutes, I took off the scarf and took out back the string, and then I wrapped the string around like how I would do the high puff, but instead I brought it back to a low puff. I put on my scarf again because I want my hair to be extra laid. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my recent videos because I'll be doing a Q&A and responding to you guys' questions. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.